Is this the ultimate home server case? The JONSBO N5 is making some bold claims, packing massive storage and serious expandability into a surprisingly stylish package. Let's dive in. First impressions. This thing is solid. The steel plate construction feels premium, and that North American black walnut veneer adds a touch of class you don't usually see in PC cases. It's a nice change from the usual RGB everything aesthetic. But the real story here is storage. We're talking 12 hot swap 3.5-inch HDD bays in the front, plus space for 4 2.5-inch SSDs internally. That's a lot of potential storage for your Plex server, media library, or whatever data hoarding dreams you might have. Just remember, if you're filling all those HDD bays, you'll need a beefy power supply. And speaking of beefy, this case can handle some serious hardware. EATX motherboard support. Check. Room for up to 4 GPUs. Yep. That makes the N5 a contender for high-performance computing tasks, not just basic file storage. Though if you're going the multi-GPU route, keep an eye on your AIO cooler clearance. Installation looks pretty straightforward. The one-piece removable top cover and removable HDD cages should make building relatively painless. Cooling is also well thought out, with plenty of fan mounting options and support for up to a 280 AIO cooler. 3 120 fans are included, which is a nice bonus. The front panel I/O is decent, with a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port and 2 USB 3 ports. The case also has 8 PCI expansion slots, so you can add all the cards your heart desires. The size is W355*D403*H350 so it's not exactly small, but considering the amount of hardware it can hold, it's surprisingly compact. The weight is 7.5 kg, which speaks to the quality of the materials used. The JONSBO N5 isn't cheap, but it offers a unique combination of storage capacity, expandability, and aesthetics. If you're serious about building a powerful and stylish home server or workstation, this case is definitely worth considering. It's a well-built, thoughtfully designed case that could be the perfect foundation for your next project.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.